page. Welcome to my page. Well, hello there. Today we have an unboxing. Well, actually, it's not really an unboxing. It's more like an Amazon dump. So, let's see what we have. Try not to keep you guys too long today. And it's not really a lot. I really didn't get much. But I ordered so much, I don't know exactly what's in this box. So, I thought I would bring it to you guys since we're vlogging about how this is working for me. This is labels. This is 21 by 21 round, which is awesome because I got these to actually go on my lids to my beard balms. So I needed those. This, I don't know what this is. This is aroma beads. Yes, I'm excited about the aroma beads. I really wanted some aroma beads. And if you know, then you know. But if you don't know, then you don't know. But honestly, it's just something I'm learning about too. So I'm going to definitely take you along with it. And I believe this is like 3 pounds. So I'm excited about these aroma beads. And then one more thing here. These are... the fragrance oil bottles. So they should be cute. And they are cute. Got the little golden lids. Cute little pipettes that it comes with. A little funnel. Looks like the balls, and these are metals, and then the bottles themselves. So that's what I got, and that's all I got for you. So thanks again. Unboxing video is coming up next, so stay tuned, and thanks for watching. Again, like, comment, subscribe. Definitely keep your subscription on so you'll see my videos when they come. herbalessence.com and Herbal Essence on all of my social media handles. So, thank you again, and good night.